right? Hi. Some are just arriving for toy group. Here we are. And this is our llama. Look nice with your hair. I didn't know your hair was that long. Hey, looks long, hey. I always remember you had short hair. Nice. Yeah, beautiful. Hey, I'm just going to be around here. Look at these colors. Look at these colors. Lakepa! Woohoo! Hi, yeah, go Lakepa! Woohoo! Yeah, turn around. Yeah, that's beautiful. Lovely. Beautiful Lakepa. Hi, how are you guys? Who's the other one? Just you? Oh, yeah, right. Hi. Good. You can see yourself later. I've to control. Yeah. I just show you your nice flag. Yeah, beautiful. Here's Lakepa. Welcome to Lakepa. Look at the beautiful colors. Isn't that beautiful, eh? Thank you. Hi. Hello. Good. Yourself? Good. Okay. Okay. That's Lakepa. Oh, beautiful.